10 minutes after I signed up, I got that lead right there. Amanda N in the house. This is a motivated seller, someone who's expressed interest in wanting to sell their home. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a motivated seller in 30 minutes or less without door knocking, cold calling, or spending weeks looking for motivated sellers. This is the exact system I use every single day to find my motivated sellers. It's plug and play. You set up this one time and they're just going to import directly to your CRM. If you follow this system step by step, you will have a seller reaching out to you before the end of this video. That's how positive I am that this will work. Let's go. So first things first, what is PPL? PPL stands for pay per lead, and the one that we're going to talk about today, my favorite, property leads. Basically, companies like PropertyLeads, iSpeed2Lead, LeadZolo do all of the marketing on your behalf. So they're doing their Google ads or their Facebook ads or cold calling or mailers. And then when they get a hot lead, you purchase it from them. They kind of take out that beginning work. These leads have expressed interest and said, hey, I need to sell, like have someone call me. And instead of chasing these leads down, they're gonna get sent straight to your CRM or inbox through a Zapier integration. It couldn't be simpler. You're not cold calling strangers. You're calling people who've already said, hey, I wanna sell my home for cash as is. It's basically a cheat code and a guaranteed way to win if you follow all the right steps. Without further ado, here's how it's set up. Jump onto your computer and go to PropertyLeads.com. You're gonna go to Google. You're gonna type in Property Leads, hit search, hit Property Leads, they'll pop up first, and you're gonna hit sign up. I'm gonna hit log in. You're gonna log in, check the box, make you have all of your login details, and then boom, this is your dashboard of the CRM. You can see the counties that I have. You can see that I've literally got 24 nationwide leads this week. So use this code when you sign up, 250 bucks, 8 leads, potential deal, perfect. I'm spending $45 a lead. I am the top bid. I think you can go down to 35. Yeah, so you can go down to 30 on this. So you can get nationwide motivated seller leads for $30 each, and then you can have them directly imported to your CRM. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're come into your dashboard. You're going to go up to add more territories. You're not going to have it selected, so you're going to hit add national. I already have it, so I can't. Once you hit add national, you're going to hit add. Once you add, it's going to show up on your dashboard here. So once it's on your dashboard, you're going to fund your account, which you can see my account balance is at a balmy $45 right now. After you fund your account, you're going to come in here and you're going to go up until you're the top bid. So $40 is the top bid. Once you turn on the leads, it lets Property Leads know that you're ready to receive the inbound leads as they get them. These are active leads. So these people have just filled something out. So you want to be ready to go. I'll usually sit at my computer. I'll have PropStream pulled up. I'll have DocuSign pulled up. I'll have Zillow and Google and my CRM ready to go. I'll be in a quiet space with myself and my dog. He's down there right now. And we'll start like getting to work. And this is where it starts. Once you hit yes and start here or active, it's then going to put the lead over into your CRM. They will start dumping in. So if you have a budget set, say you put $1,000 on there and you turn it on, they will keep dumping leads in. So make sure to get the amount of leads you want, like 4 or 5, and then pause it because they will not stop. I have a video on how I spent $4,000 overnight because I forgot to deactivate my account. So caution. So to do the CRM link, you're going to have a webhook. And so you can go add webhook. You're going to get your webhook here. And you can watch this video on how to link your webhook with your Zapier. So that's all explained through this tutorial video, which you literally just click the link and it's going to walk you through a 2-minute video on how to do it through Zapier and Property Leads. And then you'll start getting these leads instantly. So this should take you 5 minutes to set up. Once you're into Property Leads, it's going to take you 5 minutes to set this up. And then you hit active and you sit back and you wait for a lead to come. Once you have Property Leads completely set up and you're waiting for your very first lead ever or 20th lead ever, wherever you are in your journey, Once you get your new leads, you need to call them right away. Speed to lead is the most important thing. If you call and they don't answer, what are your next steps? If they come into my inbox, I call them. If they don't answer, I leave a message. Hey, this is Chance. You express interest in selling this property. If you can, give me a call back at this number. I send them an auto text that I have that says, hey, I'm reaching out about the property you expressed interest in selling. And then I'm calling them again. So they get 2 calls and a text on the initial reach out. If they don't answer, then I move them to called no answer. And then they'll get 2 more calls from me later that day. And then I follow up with them 3 or 4 times a day for the next 4 days. And then they go into a follow-up campaign. So they're getting directly hit by me 4 or 5 times a day. You would be surprised about how many people will follow up once they're off work. They were just in a spot not to answer. Maybe they were on the phone or something happened. A lot of times they will reach back out to you. If you don't get them to respond and you've contacted them 12 times over 4 days, you can get a refund of that lead. Refunds are a huge part of my business because I'm running a lot of leads through it. And so if you can keep track of that by knowing exactly when to request a refund, you can get your money back. If you can get your money back, you can just keep getting more leads. So you need to dial in your systems and then you can get deals. So this lead comes in, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hit call, and then you're gonna open it, you're gonna copy and paste the address of the property, and you're gonna put the address of the property into PropStream, and you're gonna start comping the property right away. So it's gonna look something like this. Copy, search, and then boom, here's the property. Usually I would street walk it. Google Maps 2025, like Google is all around the world consistently updating these maps, and you can kind of see the outside condition. I mean, this is 2025, so you can see that these are like old windows. You can see that the roof might need some work. You can see that the siding is kind of fading, especially right here. This is like the sun fade. But overall, it's kept pretty nice. So you might not have major issues, but you are going to need kind of a light renovation, potentially new roof and windows. And so you're going to use that information, and then you're going to go in and do your phone call. You really need to stop focusing on volume and then start focusing on quality and quality conversations. Knowing what to ask and being prepared to pick up on the little nuances and conversations and finding the motivation and the pain point in what they're saying to you and expressing to you on what's happening. Number 1, property leads. You're going to go to Property Leads, set up an account, use my code so we both get $250, and then turn on nationwide leads. Once you get the lead, you're going to call them immediately. You're going to call twice, send a text. You're going to ask them real questions when they answer the phone and have a decent script to work to. And then you're going to finally follow up until you connect with them. You need to reach out to them minimum of 12 times in 4 days. And that's it. If you're trying to wholesale, this is the lowest barrier of entry to do it and to really cut your teeth on getting in there and talking to sellers. Go to Property Leads, get a nationwide lead, and call down. You're going to suck, but eventually you won't. And if you get lucky on the bat, you could close a $5,000 or $10,000 deal or get that lead today and close it in 2 weeks. All from this one video. So go take action right now. If you do end up getting a lead, I would love to hear from you. Comment lead down below or any questions or the next video you want to make. Please subscribe. And if you are part of real estate or wholesaling or investing, I would love to hear from you. Maybe we can connect, potentially do some deals together. So my name is Chance Ireland, and I hope I provided value today.